Back in the boat, having just walked ashore this island, and there's oil on it, that's for sure. You can see about a 6-inch coating of oil. The oil's not 6 inches deep, but it comes up about 6 inches on the vegetation on the island, completely coating everything from the water surface up about 6 inches. So this island has a challenge in the future. It'll be interesting to come back here to say a month, 2 months, 6 months, and a year to see how much the oil has affected the vegetation here. And this is something that we really need to be doing to understand the effects of this oil on the aquatic ecosystem.